So Liam's just bought a 31.
Yeah, dog.
How do you feel about it, Liam?
Fucking
Finally gonna learn how to skid. Did
No, I'll never be able to learn how to skid.
you pay for this?
Too much. $500. Jizz stain on the seat cover.
We got in it for the first time.
It's probably when it was frying third on the highway. Someone themselves.
Alley, bro. Oh, it's missing something.
Where's the dead boat?
Pod filter.
How much power do you reckon it's making?
500.
Oh.
That blue make it go.
Do you want me to fill?
Hey, she's going perfect. Do that again. Go hold it and then go reverse. And then go forward to drive. Oh no, it just looked like the whole wheel just went like moved like like 50 mil. Oh, you can hear it knocking.
What's wrong with that?
Everything. You can't see it leaking. You can see it like dribbling out.
Dribbling's alright.
That's right, you'll just lean out and still into one.
What's power shift?
You don't need that. That's for changing gears.
It will be. I'll be frying third.
We do it up the hill, it'll work better.